To customize the lock screen on Motorola Edge 70 Pro, first of all we need to open Settings. Over here in Settings we're gonna scroll down a little bit and then you want to go to Personalize. In here in this menu you should be able to find the lock screen option, so let's select it and then you can start customizing the lock screen. For example, at the bottom we have shortcuts, so you can assign bottom left and bottom right corner shortcut to quickly open a specific app or use one of the phone features like for example camera, flashlight, QR code scanner, and so on and so forth. Tap on this check in the upper right corner to save the selected shortcut. Over here we also have the notification style, so you can choose bubble, chip, or list, depending which one you just prefer to use. And if you tap on the lock screen over here, then you can customize the clock. So tap over here to change the clock face to a different one. You can also change the font that you want to use for that face, and you can also choose the color that should be used for your clock. Besides that, here we also have widgets, so you can add some of the widgets that are going to be accessible and visible on the lock screen. Unfortunately, only this list is available, so you will notice that only a couple of information can be added in here, but still we can add something. And that is pretty much all. Of course, you can also change the wallpaper if you want to. So first we're gonna tap on this check in the upper right corner to save our changes. And then here we can tap on the lock screen to then tap again to, for example, add some effects as well, to make some changes to the wallpaper. And if you want to completely change the wallpaper, then over here in this section, you should be able to just choose the wallpaper that you want to set. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.